Hi everyone, today I will make a cheese quesadilla. It has only 3 ingredients: mozzarella cheese, butter, and tortillas. Let's go ahead and start. I'll get 1 tortilla like this. I'll put a little butter. I'll spread a little butter in it on both sides. It's really simple but so tasty. I'll do the same on the second tortillas. And the other side. That will be good enough. That's it. I'll just wrap my pot with a little butter. That's good enough. Now I'll put my tortilla like this. It can get brown so quick, so we have to be careful. Now I'll turn it around. See how brown it gets? Now I'll take it out. The next one, the same thing. Now at this point, I'll minimize the heat and put enough cheese in it. Distribute it evenly. You don't even have to touch it by hand. Like this. This is mozzarella cheese. Now I'll put the other tortilla. Press it down. It's melting. At the same time, I want to flip it over. Like that. Flip it over. See it? Let's see. You see how the cheese is melting? Now we'll take it out. At this point, we will put a little butter on it. It's so gorgeous and beautiful. We can put the other side a little butter, not too much. Then here you have it. So we'll cut it. It's so hot, so pizza cutter. I'm using a pizza cutter to cut it. Wow. Ooh, it's so hot, so delicious. Very nice. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, and comment. I'll see you on my next video.